I'm Leticia Tarruell. I'm an experimental researcher, and myself and my research group, we work on experimental quantum simulation with neutral atoms, so both in optical lattices, and now we're also setting up experiments with Rydberg states. Currently, our main contribution to the PASQuanS project is our Strontium quantum gas microscope. So we use strontium ground state atoms in optical lattices, and we have built a machine that allows us to see every single atom individually, and we are doing now first that with bosonic atoms, but now we also switched to fermionic atoms, which of course have a nice link to real materials. Our main goal within PASQuanS is to set up this strontium quantum gas microscope and really use the technical advantages that the strontium atomic species offers. In the case of fermionic atoms is the fact that you have many spin components, so you can simulate Hubbard models with more than spin 1/2, just to use them to our advantage for quantum simulation. And it has been actually quite easy to push in this direction during the last year, because we were very lucky to test schemes that were tried already with the optical tweezer array experiments in strontium, and they worked immediately in optical lattices. And also our machine was already making Bose-Einstein condensates when we started the project, so we could immediately combine the imaging capabilities with the quantum gases to really get superfluid images atom by atom of strontium BECs. And then we have very recently started to switch to the fermionic atoms, and then things are a bit trickier, but for the moment they are progressing well. I think quantum simulation is a fantastic field because it combines cutting-edge technology, really complicated big machines, pushing the limits of technical know-how, and at the same time fundamental science and solving hard problems, which can be from physics, but we hope also from real world. And I think this is really a unique opportunity in the PASQuanS project, that we can combine these two aspects and really push them to the frontiers. When I started working on quantum simulation, I felt that there were very few women. Even though this is different in different countries, and I started working in the field in France, where women are much less underrepresented than in other places. But I think that this situation is changing a lot right now, and I'm extremely lucky to have in my research group in Barcelona now really parity, as many male and female researchers. So I would really say that for young women that want to maybe start a career in this field, just follow your dreams, because if you're good at what you are doing, you're enthusiastic, you like what you are doing, it will work out well.